Hi students, today we will discuss first class English class readiness worksheet 4. Match the same pictures by drawing lines. Here we have some pictures in one side and another side also same pictures are there. We draw the line same to same. Once you check it out, which pictures are there? Carrot, cabbage, potato, tomato, bitter gourd. Here, carrot. Then, in this line, where is carrot? Here, you make the line carrot to carrot, cabbage. Where is cabbage? Here, you make the line cabbage to cabbage, potato. Draw the line potato to potato. Here tomato, tomato to tomato. Bitter gourd to bitter gourd. Match the line same to same pictures. Next one, circle the pictures of vegetables. Here mixed of things in this picture, in this box. In that box it have things, vegetables, places also. Here which one we circle? Only vegetables. Okay, what is this? Carrot. Is it a vegetable or not? Yes, vegetable. Circle it. And second one is pencil. It is not vegetable. Here, what is this? Cucumber. Is it vegetable? Yes, it is a vegetable. Here is book. It is not vegetable. It is a thing. What is this in the picture? This is classroom. Is it vegetable? No. Here, what is this? Brinjal. Not brinjal. It is lady's finger. Is it vegetable? Yes. You circle it. Another one is brinjal. Brinjal is also vegetable. Here, what is this picture? Car. Car is vegetable? No. Car is a vehicle. What is this? Onion. Onions are vegetable? Yes. Vegetables. Last one is fan. Is it a vegetable? No. It is a thing. Okay, let's start now. What the pictures are in the vegetables in this box? Carrot, cucumber, lady finger, brinjal, onion. These are the vegetables. Come to another page. Join the dots as directed and copy the lines. Here the dots. Join it. Make a line. Make a line. And second line also. Draw the lines. These are the lines. Next, draw and color your favorite vegetable. My favorite vegetable is brinjal. This is brinjal. Brinjal in which color? Blue color. This is brinjal. What is it?
Brinjal.
Brinjal. B R I N J A L. Brinjal. Next, you draw another picture also. Which vegetable do you like? Carrot. Okay, I will draw the carrot. How is it the carrot? Carrot is a triangle. Not this one. This one is carrot. Okay. You will must draw with pencil. Here I am using pen. Don't use pen. You must use with pencil. Oh, very colorful. Carrot is very colorful. This is a carrot. Okay, carrot is very nice. Thank you for watching.